What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a central object, so a person, a product, whatever you want, and we're going to be making that the only thing that's in color. So we're going to desaturate every single thing else. So what we're going to do is we're going to be in Lightroom right now. We're going to go to the Radial Gradient tool. So I have it checked as the highlights is minus 100, my shadows are minus 88, my blacks are plus 10, my saturation is minus 100, the most important thing because you don't want any color, and sharpness is plus 100, and I have the thing inverted, so as you see it'll invert over here when I do that. So what this will do is make me in color and everything else will go desaturated. As you see, if I uninvert it, then everything else is the opposite. Everything else in color, I'm not. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put the filter, the radial gradient around me, and we're just gonna try to best fit it towards me. But the only issue with this is you'll see that it's not as clean. Like, you could still see some parts of the color in the background. And yes, you can add more radial gradients and really fine tune this, but it gets a little cumbersome and annoying because sometimes it doesn't want to cooperate. So if I put another one, for example, it'll do that. So you won't be able to do it as accurately as you want to. So this is a really good fix if you want to do it for the first time, and if you really just want to do it very quickly, and it doesn't matter if you don't want it to be as fine-tuned as possible. But the other way that we're going to do it, which I personally like better, and it's actually a little bit easier, is let's go to Photoshop. So we're going to use the selection tool. We're going to use any of them because what you want is to select subject tool. What it's going to do, first actually let's create another layer, and then we're going to go select subject. And while we wait for it to select me, it should select me pretty accurately, as it does. So let's just check it over to make sure. We can fine tune this later, or I'm just doing it very quickly because I just want to demonstrate it to you. But as you can see, it's pretty much selected everything that we need. So what you're going to do, and the way I like doing it, you're going to go right click, you're going to go layer via copy. So what it's going to do is, like, if I hide everything else, I'm the only thing that's been cut out. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the layer with the background, so the original one we duplicated. You're going to go to image, adjustments, and then go to desaturate. It should be Shift Control U if you want a keyboard shortcut, but I personally like the drop down menus. Oops, I selected the wrong one. You're going to go to adjustments, desaturate. Shift Control U is what your option is. So now what it does, it's very clean, and it's desaturated everything else around me pretty much, plus minus the hair, because the hair is very different with curls and like fine tuning that. But that can be done later on. But as you can see, it's very clean and very, very easy to do, and it's pretty accurate. You can do this with a lot of different things, and if you want to get even more into detail, we can do some things where, like, you put the skin color even is desaturated, and then you can put the clothes only in color. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please comment, rate, and subscribe below. If you want to see more videos, please suggest something and hit the like button, and let's try to get this video to like 10 likes. Thanks for everything. Bye.